All right, guys. Paul, Bates, Beverly, and Daisy. Don't forget about Daisy. Week 11 here on the living on the trawler now. And this week we're getting ready to do some business out of town and visit some family. And but Monday I replaced the galley sink, and man, it was a chore. It was definitely a lot more than I bargained for. It ended up taking me the entire day. Anyway, thank God Bev was out doing laundry because it was just frustrating. And I'll explain it to you in a short video one of these days, what not to do when you're replacing your galley sink. So then the rest of the week I spent Tuesday, I did get up and I did, we ordered some panels that we're going to need, some aluminum panels for the roof to mount the solar panels. So when I get back, I'll have those ready to go. So that's pretty much it. We just want to touch base, let you guys know where we're at for the week. And getting back to the Loop Princess and getting her prepped and ready to go on the Loop. We do have some exciting news. We have some people joining us on the Loop possibly, and so it may postpone our leave date, our actual leave date for the Loop. Maybe get postponed a couple weeks, waiting for them because they can't leave till March 20th. And if we can do it, we will do it. So anyway, and we'll know more as in the next week or so whether we're going to do it or not. Anyway, Paul, Bates, Beverly, Daisy, peace out. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next week. Appreciate it.
Beverly and Daisy from the Loop Princess.
Thank you so much for watching. Here's to salt under your keel and safe voyages. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
Thank you.